That is Chandrasekhar Azad, commonly prefers as Chandrasekhar, or popularly known as Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was born on 23rd July 1906 at Baura, Central India Agency in Madhya Pradesh. He was born in the era when British were ruling over India. Chandrasekhar's father was from Kanpur. After the birth of Chandrasekhar Azad, their family shifted to Madhya Pradesh. His father's name is Sitaram Tiwari and his mother's name is Jagrani Devi Tiwari. Chandrasekhar Azad was a true freedom fighter and political activist. Chandrasekhar Azad's mother wants his son to be Sanskrit scholar. So she recommended her father to put Chandrasekhar in high level school. But Chandrasekhar Azad was a socialist, so he decided to leave school and take part in the freedom movement. At the age of 15, when Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement was going on, Chandrasekhar Azad actively participated at this movement. After the non cooperation movement of Mahatma Gandhi has not been successful, Chandrasekhar Azad became more aggressive. He also participated in many other movements and tried very hard for the Indian independence. After doing many revolutionary movements, he met with many freedom fighters. With the help of Lala Lajpat Rai, he participated and did many revolutionary movements. But once Lala Lajpat Rai was killed by British officer John, Chandrasekhar Azad became very angry. With the help of Bhagat Singh and his friends, Chandrasekhar Azad killed the British officer John, who killed Lala Lajpat Rai. Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad did many revolutionary movements. They together robbed many of British trains. He was actively present in the Kakori train robbery. Chandrasekhar Azad died on 27 February 1931. As unknown informer informed the British police about Chandrasekhar Azad residence. He was surrounded by many British police officers in a park. He was there in the park with his friends fighting with the British officers. He let their friends run away and fought along with the police officers. While fighting with the officers, he injured and killed many of the British officers. And his body was full of wounded by the bullets of the British officers. He once had a pledge that he would not die of the British people. So by on his words, he had only a last bullet left in his gun. So he decided to kill himself by that last bullet. His legacy. Chandrasekhar Azad gun has been placed in the Museum of Allahabad. If you go to Allahabad, don't miss to see Chandrasekhar Azad gun. It is in the museum. By his deeds from the freedom of the nation, many of the schools, roads and colleges of India has been named after him. Many institutions are also named after him. Chandrasekhar Azad was a true freedom fighter. He is a Shahid Chandrasekhar Azad in the heart of Indian people. Jai Hind.